If you're new to real estate, do you think doing subject to is too advanced, especially starting off? If not, how would you go about moving forward with it? Well, people make subject to sound like it's really, really complicated. It's really not. It's as simple as someone deeding you a property. And if you own a house, okay, you can deed it to whoever you want to. You could deed it to a stranger on the street and they'd have ownership of the property. Now, would they pay for it? Well, I don't know. Those details are the things that make it as complicated as it is. It's not complicated.
I avoided it too, because for one, I thought it was advanced, but I also thought nobody would do it. I thought nobody would deed a house and keep a mortgage in their name. I just thought nobody would do it. But when I did the first one I did a couple of years ago, I remember I messaged you. I'm like, this was like magical. It was so much easier really than a lot of other type of deals that I had done. Certainly I'd done short sales and it was a lot easier than that. It really wasn't complicated. I don't think it's I just don't think you can go do it blindly. I mean, you need to know some things, but it's not complicated really at all. Right. Of course, and certain deals can be, but just in general, it's not.
I think the key, if you're new and if you're uncertain, let me give you an idea. I had been investing, I had bought probably 4 or 5 houses when I did my first sub-2 deal. And you talk about somebody who didn't know anything. The seller of this house actually helped me fill out the paperwork. I mean, I remember doing it on his counter. It was crazy. I had never done it before, but I wasn't going to let that stop me. And we did some stuff incorrectly. I did the deed wrong. Thankfully, I had a good attorney that straightened out things later. I think the key, if you're new, is to have someone who knows what they're doing that you can ask questions. And that may be a coach that you pay. It may be someone local to you that's already doing it, that's open to answering questions for you. It can be a lot of different things, but you need someone, if you're not experienced, that you can say, okay, what do I do now? What do I do now? What do I do now? Just someone that you can bounce those questions off of. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.